Welcome back, viewers, to another exciting episode on this channel. Whether you're a longtime subscriber or a newcomer stumbling upon our content, we're thrilled to have you here. Prepare yourself for a captivating journey as we dive into the world of finance and business. So, whether you're here to expand your knowledge, seek inspiration, or simply enjoy a moment of entertainment, we invite you to join us on this exciting journey. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest uploads. And don't forget to share our videos with your friends and family, spreading the joy of learning and discovery far and wide. Let's get started.
Making money on Thinkific involves creating and selling online courses through their platform. To begin, sign up as an instructor on Thinkific and develop high-quality course content. Identify a niche or subject area where you have expertise or can provide valuable knowledge. Craft engaging and informative course materials that cater to your target audience's needs or interests. Once your course content is ready, set up your course on Thinkific's platform. Use their intuitive tools to design your course landing page, create engaging course modules, and structure your content effectively. Implement multimedia elements such as videos, quizzes, downloadable resources, and interactive content to enhance the learning experience. Promote your course using various marketing strategies. Leverage social media platforms, content marketing, email newsletters, webinars, or paid advertising to reach your audience and drive traffic to your Thinkific course landing page. Highlight the value and benefits of your course, addressing the pain points or challenges your target audience may have. Continuously engage with your students and provide value beyond the course content. Offer excellent customer support. Encourage interaction within the course community. And gather feedback to improve your courses further. Consider offering additional resources or bonuses to enhance the perceived value of your courses and encourage sales. Success on Thinkific as an online course creator involves creating valuable content. Effective marketing strategies and ongoing engagement with your audience, providing a positive learning experience, addressing your audience's needs, and continuously improving your courses are key factors in generating revenue through the platform.
And that concludes another captivating episode on our channel. We hope you enjoyed this journey of exploration and discovery as much as we did. Before we part ways, we want to express our sincere gratitude to each and every one of you, our incredible viewers. If you haven't already, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel and become part of our ever-growing community. By doing so, you'll never miss out on the latest uploads, ensuring you're always at the forefront of knowledge and entertainment. Remember to hit the notification bell, so you're promptly notified whenever we release a new video. Thanks for watching.